guys, welcome to the Garden Tractor Geek channel. I did a 15-minute video of me repairing the driveway that had some half a foot to a foot holes in it from the edge. One from the tractor where I got that this 110 stuck, and my phone shut off. It's not liking this cold weather, and surprisingly, it's not an iPhone. So we're just going to do a quick little video of what's left. Hopefully my phone doesn't die again. Alright, plow up. Old 110 definitely earned her keep today because I fell in a couple holes in the driveway now. Alright, now we're going to run over it with the 110 to back it down. Forward, once back, and then move over. These garden tractors definitely earn their worth. That's for sure. I want to get this hole fixed real quick. Might have another one right here too. But alright, I'm not going to get too into that, but fix this hole right here, which this one's going to be a hard one because it's so close to the house and because it's right near some grass. I'm not going to be able to really back the dirt in like I can the other ways. It just helps if I put it here. It's not bad. It could be better. We're going to see what we can do here. Actually, should be able to get this. I don't like to pack that down, but I'd like to get this hole filled. Alright, exactly what we want. Perfect. Doesn't get much better than that. There now. Alrighty, well, looks like that's gonna wrap this up. Got most of my driveway fixed. There's no real deep holes in it anymore. I don't know why my camera's been giving me trouble the past two videos. Keep zooming in and out. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this short video. Sorry it's not the 15-minute one that I made, but I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and get yourself an antique garden tractor because they're priceless tools.